Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku. Sudoku is a fascinating logic puzzle that challenges your mind. It's played on a large grid, which is 9 cells wide and 9 cells tall. This main grid is further divided into 9 smaller 3x3 boxes. Your objective is to fill every single empty cell with a number from 1 to 9, following a few simple yet crucial rules. It's all about deduction and careful observation. The core rules of Sudoku are straightforward but require precision. Every single row, from top to bottom, must contain all the numbers from 1 to 9, with no repeats. Similarly, each column, from left to right, must also feature every digit from 1 to 9, again without any duplication. Finally, each of the 9 smaller 3x3 boxes must also contain all the numbers from 1 to 9. To begin solving, first scan the grid for areas with many pre-filled numbers. Focus on a specific row, column, or 3x3 block that has only 1 or 2 empty cells. By checking which numbers from 1 to 9 are already present, you can often deduce the missing digit. This technique, called single candidate, is a fundamental step in filling the grid. It's about finding the obvious placements first. As you advance, consider using pencil marks to jot down all possible numbers for a cell. This helps visualize options and identify hidden singles, where a number can only go in one specific cell within a row, column, or block. Remember, Sudoku is a journey of logic and patience. Don't hesitate to erase if you hit a dead end. Consistent practice is key to mastering this engaging number puzzle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.